So 2020 Rebel Ram, we just put a magnaflow magna pack on it. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. So you guys let us know what you guys think in the comments, okay? We're gonna do the Resonator delete next and 5-inch tips. So this is what it sounds like with just a magnaflow magna pack and regular resonators, regular tips. Okay? Here's sound decibels. Again. It's right at 98.3. Again.
I mean, it sounds good. It's got a rumble to it already.
It's got a nice deep one.
But those resonators are going to give me that crackle. Which,
And it's got the big resonators on it. They're not even the small ones.
yeah, I think I want the resonator.
So that's with the magnaflow magna pack and everything else stock. That's what it sounds like. All right. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. This is just with magna pack, magnaflow magna pack, and stock resonators, stock tips. What do you guys think? So that's round one. Let us know after we take the resonators and tips off and change them for 5. All right, so we showed you guys round one with the magnaflow magna pack only. So this is round two, 2020 Ram 1500/5.7 Rebel. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Why is it the single there? 3-inch pipe, then we put a 3-inch magnaflow in and out right there. There'll be a link in the description, magnaflow magna pack. And then it wires out, back out over here onto each side, as you guys can see there and there. And we took the resonators off there and there, and put some 5-inch roll tips, signature 5-inch roll tips out the back. Looks so much cleaner, a lot nicer than than the 4-inch it had on it, as you guys can see there. Really nice. There's the 2 resonators that were on it and the 4-inch tips that were on it there and there. All right. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's better. That's the signature. See how those tips give it that deep tone?
That's better.
That was something rad, bro. Here's sound decibels. Yeah, that's perfect. 106. Again. Let it idle. There's the idle on it.
Sounds great. That's exactly what I was looking
That's perfect. All right. Go ahead and back it up. That's beautiful. Perfect. Just a deep rumble, guys. Yeah, it's perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside.